Hello, my name is Prema McKeever, and I'm a somatic therapist and a biodynamic breathwork and trauma release system training facilitator living in Vancouver, Canada. And I'm recording this short video in hopes of answering some common questions about trauma healing and what we can actually do to regain our health, our happiness, and to fall back in love with our lives. Firstly, I think it's really important to understand that trauma is stored in our nervous system and in the memory of our body. We're used to thinking that trauma is only linked to events like war or severe car accidents or assault, but I think it's much more helpful to think of trauma as anything that is too much, too soon, or too fast for our nervous system to really handle without becoming overwhelmed. And this can be from any of 1,000 different reasons, from anything like a child feeling bullied at school or neglected by their family at home, or adult realities such as severe work, financial, or relationship stress. Anything that gives us a sense of being unsafe or even threatened. Because during a traumatic event, when we're feeling unsafe, our body experiences at the cellular level a surge of intense fight or flight energy and stress hormones. And we need to feel safe, and our bodies need to sense that the threat is over in order for our nervous system to come back to a state of rest and balance. Now, if for any reason we don't feel safe enough, if the stress is long lasting or the trauma is so severe or sudden, we can go into what is known as the freeze response. Now, this state, the freeze response, it may look calm on the outside, but internally there's still this huge amount of fight and flight energy. And this freeze response, it can look like dissociation, numbness, or even fainting. And being stuck in that freeze is why we can still suffer from something that happened to us months, years, or even decades ago. And this shows up commonly in our body as things like panic and anxiety, hypervigilance, insomnia, addictions of all kinds, migraine headaches, digestive problems, chronic pain no matter how many massages we get, or a general sense of feeling disconnected, numb, and depressed. And of course, these sort of symptoms affect millions of us around the world, and many of us don't realize that it's unresolved trauma that may be at the root of it. So healing trauma is about going from just trying to survive to actually thriving in our lives. It's about coming out of that freeze in our body and mind. It's about restoring the healthy flow of energy in our nervous system and returning to a place where we can connect with ourselves and others. We can feel safe, relaxed, and present. You know, our bodies and our psyche are built to heal. Our nervous system patterns can change. We can come out of a chronic freeze pattern and move towards health and connection, no matter how deep or old our stress and trauma may be. Now, there are many different approaches to trauma healing. Some are more psychological, some focus more on the body, while others prefer to focus on brain chemistry through medication. And I believe that the best approach to healing trauma works with the wisdom and the innate healing capacities of our body. And that's what we do in the biodynamic breathwork and trauma release system. Through breath, movement, conscious emotional release, and more, we work on the energetic, the physiological, psychological, and developmental levels to come out of this freeze and restore a sense of safety and aliveness. To find out more information, please visit our website, biodynamicbreath.com. There you'll find all sorts of free resources, videos, articles, as well as webinars, a practitioner directory, and a list of all our courses held around the world, so you can experience this deep healing work for yourself. And if you'd like, learn how to facilitate it with others. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something valuable here, and be sure to check out our further trauma healing resources on our BBTRS website. Thank you so much, and hope to see you at a training somewhere soon.